Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rhea, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a quick get ready with me because your girl about to go on a quick hot lunch date. And I already got my face done, which is totally backwards than what I normally do, but look, we gonna roll with it. So I'm gonna be working in the Morphe palette. I can't believe I still got this. Let me put a quick base down for the eyeshadow, and my mirror's right here, so bear with me. Oh, I could have used this. Well, it ain't that serious. And I'm gonna use this to just move around the concealer, or pat it in, set it, because it already has stuff on it. Okay, so this is gonna be like something very simple, not too much. So I think what I want to do is I'm gonna go in with Deep Hue. That's what this one is called, Deep Hue. Oh yeah, that's pretty deep. Y'all see that? That is pretty deep. And I'm just gonna work that in. I need to pick up a little bit more product though. I want to work that into the crease area and on the outside. Y'all know how we do the makeup girlies. It's gonna be super quick. I hope everybody's been doing well. Your girl has been off for 2 months and I go back to work tomorrow. So we decided, you know what, let's just go on a quick lunch date, since, you know, I'm gonna be incorporating work life back into my life. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And make sure that's all blended well. We don't want any harsh lines. Like when I tell y'all this is gonna be so freaking quick, it's gonna be quick. I'm gonna go in with Exposed just to deepen it. I don't want to do black. We're gonna go in with Exposed right there, just to give it that extra smoke look. And we're gonna buff it out, put it in the crease, and so that way we just only have just a little lid space to work with for the lid color. If I remember correctly, I think I gave one of these away a little bit, quite some time ago though. I don't remember who I gave it to though, but I do remember I think I ended up getting more than what I was supposed to. Now where's the blending brush? This one is blended to perfection. This one is a little wonky. And I'm not doing no special technique. I'm just literally blending, y'all. Like blend, blend, blend. That's all I'm doing. Blending, blending, blending. Buffing out those edges. Okay. There we go. This needs to be buffed out some more. I think I need to put just a little bit of Evolve just to lighten this one up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go around this one. Okay. So now we're gonna go in with what I want to do. I think I want to do Define Me, or maybe Vibrant. So this is Define Me, this is Vibrant. Define Me, Vibrant. Let's go with Vibrant and see how that looks. Oh, I like that. It's like a cute little fall look. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I like that. I'm just patting it into the lid. Usually I always go with gold, but today, which this is kind of in the gold color palette, but I just wanted to do a different color. Okay. Now I'm gonna take that blending brush, and I'm not gonna put any product on it. I'm just gonna blend out what I already have on there because it doesn't need any more product. And there we go. That's all I'm doing. That's it. Now I'm gonna get some of this brown and put it on my lips, just to line my lips with it. And then make sure you buff out those harsh lines. So we don't want, you want a natural blend. All right. And then I'm gonna go in with, both of these are the same thing, Honey Love. So I guess we're using MAC Honey Love. And we're just gonna hit down yellow. And then I'm gonna top it with my lippy that from my cosmetics line that I used to own. Well, that I still own. It's not active. Okay, I'm gonna outline my eyes. It's gonna be a light line though. Now I'm gonna do mascara. I don't even know what this is, but it was something with the pink. I wanna say it's probably from Too Faced. And it's the only mascara that I have left. And I honestly probably shouldn't even be using it because probably of how old it is, but it's still mascaring, so we just gonna use it, right? Right. I mean, barely. Oh. It's definitely still mascara. Okay. I'm going to just buff out my makeup a little more. Just buff it, buff it, buff it. And then let's see if I want to do some glasses today. I don't know. I might do, let me see. I don't know if I'm gonna do these or not. I think that these look more up with a down look and not an updo. So it might have to be Sebastian. Yeah. So, yep, I'm gonna rock these. Gotta keep them lubricated. And voila. Boom. So this is my look. And I got my shades to go with it. There we go. All right, y'all. So how long was this video? I don't know. I can't see the time. Oh, 13 minutes. I'm gonna cut that way down, but thank you for tuning in to my little quick get ready with me, even though we just did an eye look and a lippy. but hey, it is what it is. I will see you guys in the next video. The next video, I think it's either gonna be 1 week in with the Phi-2 glasses. If you haven't seen my Phi-2 unboxing, try on, and first impressions, I will link it in the eye. Can't really remember if it's here or here, but you're gonna see it pop across the screen. And check out that video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below of that video, and then look out for the 1 week in with Phi-2 on which glasses. The camera just cut off on me, but 1 week in with Phi-2. Let me see, because I did have my contacts in when I first tried these on, so yeah, it's definitely gonna be the black ones for me today. So yeah, so if you made it all the way to the end of this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. I'll meet you down in the comment section below. We can talk about whatever you want to talk about, but boom. See you in the next one. Bye.